بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful.
الرحمن.
The most merciful.
علم القرآن.
Taught the Quran.
خلق الإنسان.
Created man.
علمه البيان.
And taught him eloquence.
الشمس والقمر بحسبان.
The sun and the moon move by precise calculation.
والنجم والشجر يسجدان.
And the stars and trees prostrate.
والسماء رفعها ووضع الميزان.
And the heaven he raised and imposed the balance.
ألا تطغوا في الميزان.
That you not transgress within the balance.
وأقيموا الوزن بالقسط ولا تخسروا الميزان.
And establish weight in justice, and do not make deficient the balance.
والأرض وضعها للأنام. And
the earth he laid out for the creatures.
فيها فاكهة والنخل ذات الأكمام.
Therein is fruit and palm trees having sheaths of dates.
والحب ذو العصف والريحان.
And grain having husks and scented plants.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
So which of the favors of your Lord would you deny?
خلق الإنسان من صلصال كالفخار.
He created man from clay like that of pottery.
وخلق الجان من مارج من نار.
And he created the jinn from a smokeless flame of fire.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
So which of the favors of your Lord would you deny?
رب المشرقين ورب المغربين.
He is Lord of the two sunrises and Lord of the two sunsets.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
So which of the favors of your Lord would you deny?
مرج البحرين يلتقيان.
He released the two seas, meeting side by side.
بينهما برزخ لا يبغيان.
Between them is